So I made this video to show you explicitly what to do with your AirPods when they no longer work correctly. I've had these AirPods for a little bit over a year. They've been really faithful to me. They still work. I haven't lost them. They work wonderfully when you're trying to connect. Hey, hold on. It's not connected. Alright, can you hear me? Come on. Hold on, putting them back in the case. Can you hear me? I've been religious about keeping them clean, hopefully to keep them alive a little bit longer than their expected lifespan, whatever that is. Still haven't figured out where all this black stuff comes from. They're easy to use. They come out of the case really easily, which I appreciate. So here we go. Let me show you the best thing that you can do with a set of AirPods Pro once they've reached the point where they're not working correctly anymore. Alright, so here comes the magical moment. I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this thing. First you lay it on the floor. Alright, so these little boogers are obviously a lot tougher than I expected them to be. I'm going to dispose of them properly and take them to a recycling center so they can get the metals and lithium-ion batteries that are part of this recycled correctly. But if anything, this video is a parody, obviously. And but we did prove these things are actually quite tough. You can run over it with a truck and try to smash it, and it resists all efforts. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, hit share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.